Hello and welcome to the personal YouTube channel for William Benner. On this channel you'll find a wide variety of topics including appliance repair, consumer electronics, electric bikes and cars, ham radio, user interface design, music, and travel. Basically, whenever I run into a problem I need to solve, or when I have an experience that's not already covered on another YouTube channel, I make a video about it and place it here. There are separate YouTube channels for my companies, Pangolin, ScannerMAX, and LASORB. Those channels cover specific products. Now, I don't monetize the videos found on any of these channels. I'm only in it for the likes and subs. So if you find value in any of my videos, I'd be honored if you give me a thumbs up. Now, if you'd like to learn more about me, I have a personal website, williambenner.com. And if you'd like to get in touch with me, there's a contact form on that website. So thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you and reading your comments.